Hi everyone. First of all, thank you so much for registering in December English Challenge. So yesterday I gave you an assignment wherein you need to spot the differences between two pictures, and I have got a very positive response. A lot of you have submitted your assignment and I'm really glad to say that you guys did a great job. And in this video today I'm going to show you three best performers. So they are not winner because you all are winner who has just put a lot of effort to get better in English and submitted their assignments. But there are two ways to learn English in a very effective way. First is learn from your own mistakes, and second thing is learn from the best performances. So in this video, let's listen to the best three performers who have explained everything in a very brilliant way, and we can actually learn a lot of things from them. So let's listen to them and keep participating in December English Challenge. Okay, happy learning.
Thanks for your feedback, ma'am. And I'll repeat the differences once again. First one, the sun's glass is different in the second picture. Second one, the flag of the ship is missing in the first picture. Third one, the boy's juice cut's cap is missing in the second picture. Fourth one, the sand is missing in the first picture. Fifth one, the bird is missing near the sun in the first picture. Sixth one tree is missing in the first picture. Seventh one, a coconut is missing before the boy's leg in the first picture. And the last one is the shape of the handball is changed in the first picture. Thank you, ma'am.
Today's assignment to spot the differences. I have been given two images very identical to each other, but they have numerous difference between each other. The first difference, in the left image there is no sand particles in the red bucket, whereas there is some amount of sand particles in the red bucket in the right image. Second difference, the red color of the ball in the left image is in the bottom, whereas the red color of the ball in the right image is in the upward direction. Third difference is that in the left image the ship has no flag over it, but whereas in the right image the ship has a red flag over it. Fourth difference, in the left image the sun is wearing a rectangular glasses, whereas in the right image the sun is wearing a circular glasses. Next difference, there is no wooden stick popping out from the cloth in the left image of the chair, but whereas a wooden thing is popping out from the cloth of the chair in the right image. Next difference, in the left image there is no lemon over the soft drink which is drunk by the boy, but in the right image there is a lemon in the soft drink. Next difference is that in the left image there are only two birds in the sky, whereas in the right image there are three birds together in the sky. These were all the differences I could spot, and this was my assignment. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I am Kavin from Chennai. I have found 8 differences from yesterday's assignment. So I'll list you out what are the 8 differences now. The first difference is the sun's glasses varies between the two pictures. The second difference is the flag is missing on the boat in the first picture. The third difference is the sand is missing in the first of the picture. The fourth difference is there are one more bird added in the second picture. The outline of the juice bottle is missing in the second picture. Sixth, the coconut is missing behind the boy's leg in the first picture. The seventh, the tree is missing in the first picture. Eighth, the thing behind the chair is missing. Thank you.